I started by reading into beginning Node. Firstly, I revised HTTPS server fundamentals, and I created an HTTPS server as an exercise. Afterwards, I moved to the next chapter, which is all about Express. Express.js, a Node package similar to Connect, not only shares familiar methods but also introduces some exciting new ones. For instance, I learned about the express.json method, which parses the incoming request JSON data into the request body. There's also the express.urlencoded middleware, which parses the incoming request form data into the request body. Then next I moved on to learning about cookies. A cookie is data sent from the server and stored in the client's browser. Every time the server responds to a client, it can contain cookies. Cookies provide a foundation for creating user sessions. Afterwards, I continued to learn about the request.headers.cookie and the cookie parser, which is provided by a Node package. The cookie parser is used as a middleware function that converts the request headers cookie into a JavaScript object. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.